Oh, it's coming back.
I have some amazing news. I finally got my drone. Y'all, I've been talking about this drone for literally months now. Like, I ordered it last week and it came today. So I'm about to go and test it out in my backyard just so I can get used to it with the footage and everything. Oh. I was trying to see if, oh, I was gonna cut it open, but this is the battery charging hub. All right, so it came with 4 packs of batteries, which is dope. Let's, okay. My other phone at? Because I think I have to use a, oh my God, where's my phone? I have to use an app. I'm just messing oh, God. Okay, so I got my phone because I know that it's like an app that you have to use for this. So let me just set my phone right here so I have it. I feel like a kid on Christmas, or I feel like it's my birthday. It's Christmas. Look at the packaging. So clean and so cute. Trying to be very careful. Oh my gosh, this is taking, come on. One. Look at her. She's so cute. She's so cute. I'm being like so careful. This is so is there like a case? Can I get like a case with it? This is so compact. Look at it. This is so cute. Like, it's just, I'm gonna take this everywhere, y'all. So when you see me outside flying something, I'm flying my drone, okay? Oh, this is like a soft case, but I think I'm gonna get like safety, quick start guide. That's what we need. Here we go. Step 1, download the app. All right. Scan the QR code below to download and install the HoverAir X1 app. We are going to charge it. So before I even do anything, let me just charge it. And then I will come back once it's fully charged to go through the rest of the, okay, so it looks like the charger is like on the side here. So I'm gonna go put this on my charger and I will come back when she's fully charged. My drone is fully charged now. I had to put my glasses on because I can't see. So I'm about to set up my tripod now outside so I can make sure I get all of the content. I think I'm gonna just set it up right here. Make sure that's at like a good angle. Yep, right here is pretty good. It's pretty loud. They're doing construction by my house. Okay, perfect. I don't want no flies to get in there. Whew. Oh, see, there's mosquitoes and everything. Like, they always be getting in. I hope nothing. I hate bugs. I hate bugs. But yeah, I'm gonna go get it now so that way I can test it out here. Fly it around. Let's go. Okay. I got the instructions. I got my drone. I got my phone. Let me see. I'll probably bring this a little closer. I have to, for your first flight, please fly outdoor, cool and outside. So number 1, power it on, hover it on your hand, or no, put it on your hand first and then press the power button. Then like, okay. Short press the power button. When your hover takes off, remove your hand from under it. I'm scared. Okay, okay.
The device will hover after completing the flight path. Please hold out your hand and place it 1 foot below the device. And wait for the device to land on
I'm scared.
Continue. Hover.
Hover. Oh! Ah! Can y'all see this? Oh, it's following me. Oh my God. She's literally following me. Oh, so terrifying. Do not fly in water, surface, low light situation, large height. Very. Oh, it's not following me. Oh no, it's just hovering. Okay. Good job. Wait, is it not zooming out? There you go. It's zooming out. Oh, it's coming back. She's off, so that is my drone. I can't wait to see I'm going to add all of the footage that I took in this video so that y'all can see what I was looking at. So I'm about to go and extract it all now. But so far, I like this little girl. I need to figure out a name for her. Clearly, I was struggling because I just realized that there is no audio on my drone footage. And I think it's because I didn't turn on the audio. Like, I thought it was just going to be automatic, you know? But overall, I actually really love this drone. I cannot wait to take it with me when I'm traveling and doing my content, because it's definitely, once I get used to it, it's definitely going to be everything that I needed when it comes to filming extra and getting different angles. Overall, everything is also listed in the description of the drone that I purchased. So thank you so much for watching.